Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is calendar of 2023 in PSD and AI file, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri escape by no for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, follow this, and last is my Telegram channel Sheri escape official. I will provide every video of link or data first here, okay? So here is JPG for preview. You can adjust your image here. Here is AI file, and here is PSD, and here is font information. Just copy and paste on your browser. For example, open this one. These are CMYK color. CMYK, that means you can print, not RGB for screen. Insert your image here. You can change everything. You can change color or depend your own choice. Okay, and now you change image here. Open any image, for example like this one. Drag there. Right click, create clipping mask, and our image is here. Okay, so you can adjust, and here is background. White as well. Okay, now next is May August. Same thing here, and here is, now you can change image. Okay, wait, reading Photoshop format. This one, okay, or this one. Now here is January and last is December, full calendar in one page. You can insert your image and write any text. I hope these calendar are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.